Hey guys, just got to Vegas. Just got our room, staying at the Vidara. We got a free upgrade. These are comp rooms anyway. Here's floor 49, room 30, corner suite. I'm gonna ring the doorbell. We're at the end of the hallway, coming in. Oh my gosh, hi. Walk in. Power drape, power everything. This is crazy. Look at these windows. Just goes forever. Here's our kitchen. Here's the maid that just opened the door. Look at this place, crazy. Into the living room. Look at this first view, it's nuts. Woo! I'm excited for the night view. First TV. Nice little living room. Double doors coming through. Whoa, there's another look back into the kitchen.
We do have a laundry.
There's some, we got a laundry room?
Yeah.
Nice. Stack washer dryer?
Yeah.
Cool.
Gosh.
Here's our bed. Another TV. Another great view. It's a wraparound. This place is crazy. Woo. There's the Rio. Palms over there. Signature Towers over there. Bellagio here. And then more windows, just keeps going. You can see the Sphere. There's the Stratosphere. You see the High Roller, Bellagio fountains, Bellagio pools. Picture a gym. Double sinks. Look at this bathtub with a view. I'm going to be using that. I brought bath bombs. Look at this shower. Huge. This place is crazy. Giant makeup area. Closet. Got your safe, slippers, bathrobes, ironing board, yada yada. Come back through into the kitchen. 4-seater table, full-size refrigerator, mini bar, cooktop, microwave, convection oven, dishwasher, sink. And then back to the front door. More view. There's Allegiant Stadium where the Super Bowl is about to go on week from today. All right. And that's the tour.